Okay, so this is Introduction to Python here at Seton Prep, and this year, towards the end of the year, we started using these loco drones to help bring the concepts of Python programming to life. And it really did wonders for the end of the year, which is when the guys have a tendency to start thinking about the fall and where they're going to be going, but the drones really make the code come to life. So we're using loco drones, and this is the code that the guys are using to program the drones and make them basically fly a rectangular course, which is similar to a normal traffic pattern. If these guys want to go ahead and attempt to get their commercial drone license, they've got some fundamentals now under their belt to do that. And I think next year, 2025, 2026, this course will offer a complete commercial drone license option for the guys. So we're really excited about it. We're really thankful to the prep for purchasing the drones for us because it makes the coding come to life.